Especially us, because Grandpa wants it. And the ninja. Do your ninja
Lily.
trick so your mom can get a video of it.
I want to see your ninja trick.
He'll fall. So now we've got to wave.
Ooh.
Lady, already here.
We're already at the finish line and we didn't even start.
Oh, we win. Loki, who has the scariest costume? You do? You're pretty scary.
How are you?
Good. Nice to see you.
You too. I look normal.
I do. That's just all these kitty cats, but I just loved it.
Easy to put together.
Yeah.
Mommy, can I hold it?
So make sure that you really look when you cross that crossing to stay safe. But if you want to do just the
Okay, you fight him, Loke. Okay.
Trying to run forever.
You do? Run for a long, long time, then you'd become marathon man?
Oh yeah, yeah.
That's a guard dog. Don't touch it. So you'll definitely be ready for the snack at the end. Right.
Yes.
A lot of people are already
Nice
coming
job.
back.
Good job, Mac. Good job.
Look, there's zebras coming back.
Good job.
Catch the kids peeing in the pants that they do.
Uh-huh.
And look at that big chicken dude.
The big chicken. I don't hear anybody screaming or anything, so I can't imagine it would be too scary. Good job.
You haven't lost any cats.
No, I don't think so.
He's already got one of the heads.
All right. He's a zombie hunter.
Oh, I thought he was his friend.
You thought he was who?
I thought he was from The Walking Dead.
Oh, I don't know. I just thought he was a zombie hunter.
Yeah. They are.
Hey, Caroldean.
Come in.
Yeah, my next person was like, can you say how much long until it's scared? So I want to get a bed like it.
Because you want to what? You can handle it. I know you can. Hi.
No little kids scream yet.
Yeah, there's no screaming.
Foot. Magic?
Zombies. They're real zombies. They're not real zombies. Are they real zombies? Lokers? Oh, zombies! Zombie! Did he get you, Luke? Thanks, guys. Oh, they have a fake arm, though, don't they? Oh, it's a leg.
Hey!
Okay, look.
Run, buddy.
Oh.
No, no.
What was the good thing about the zombies, Lil?
They were slow.
You think you could outrun them?
Yes.
Very easy?
Yes.
Good.
Go here. Me and Lily were just running.
You're going to start running and run past the zombies?
Loki, they weren't even that soft.
Maybe.
It was funny when they came out with a foot and a leg.
And it was all full of blood.
Sure.
So what's the best part of the race so far, Loke?
And the zombies.
The zombies?
Yeah, because there was a whole bunch of little kids.
Yeah?
With that one Jawa.
Yeah.
Are gonna freak out.
They're going to freak out?
Yeah.
Little kids are usually kind of afraid of zombies.
That's like me.
Cool.
Like I would just go.
What's the best part of the race so far, Anne?
Loki getting scared of the zombies.
All right.
Ooh, I want to say mine.
What's the best part of the race so far, Lil?
Same as Mom's, and also me getting the death grip on Mom.
Good job.
Like the death grip, I cannot let go. I seriously say that. I'm not letting go of you. Okay, you tried to do it on me.
Okay, now I gotta
Try
walk.
getting wet.
Push it on retard. Oh yeah, now it is.
Oh.
Woo! Grandma's a speed walker.
Nice bracelet, Anne.
Thanks. I'm holding it for Lily.
I'm gonna give it to one of my friends.
Oh, what are you doing, Loker?
I'm squishing a mouse, that's what I'm doing.
We're getting there.
Yep, now we're going downhill. We did the uphill, now we're going downhill.
Oh, look at Siamese cat.
Cute kitty. We are Siamese, if you please.
We are Siamese if you don't, please.
Oh, are you gonna run, Loke? I'm gonna video you running. Run.
Oh, no, that's how we wait. No.
Ready, set, go.
To where?
The bridge.
No.
Oh. Tell you're tired.
No, that's not really a road. Just go.
Just run.
Where? To bridge.
To the dog.
No, not to a dog. Where's the dog? No, to that horse statue.
The horse is back there.
No, the horse statue.
Horse.
But the Indian.
Yeah, but that's past the tunnel.
That's too far.
Hi, guys.
I can
Set, go.
Go, look, let's go.
Grandma.
Yeah, If they were another 5 years and they would have realized that they needed to be on the other side of the tunnel scaring everyone.
Yeah. If Louie was here,
Yeah.
you would have been all over it.
last year it was scarier.
Yeah. Oh,
Didn't do it.
really, really scary. Yeah. Oh, she's gonna stop. There she goes.